Hydration is important when it comes to keeping our hair healthy, and here's a herbal hair growth spray to keep your hair healthy, refresh your hair, and keep your scalp healthy. And we are going to be using 3 ingredients, which are bay leaf, which will help to keep our scalp healthy, and also cloves, which promote healthy hair growth as well as keep our scalp healthy, and curry leaves. Here I'm using freshly picked curry leaves, but you can use dried curry leaves or curry powder, whichever one you have. Curry leaf is very nourishing to the hair. It just has a way of nourishing our scalp and our hair, reducing premature graying of hair, and also keeping our scalp healthy. So these herbs are very great for the scalp, especially if you have scalp concerns such as dandruff or itchy scalp. This will help to erase it and keep your scalp and hair healthy. So I start by cleaning my curry leaves very well. I like to clean it with salt and then rinse it properly. Then into the pot I'm adding all the herbs, starting with the curry leaves, cloves, and my bay leaves. So there's no protocol here, no much measurements of herbs. I just added few of my herbs in there, added water, and I'm going to boil it. Now I'm going to boil it for about 10 minutes or till the water turns golden brown, and then it is ready. Turn off heat, let it cool, and transfer to your spray bottle. And here it is very easy to make your own herbal hair growth spray at home. So this herbal hair growth spray is best made in small batches so it doesn't spoil easily. So it is best to make it in small batches and store in the refrigerator, or you can even keep a little outside that can last a day or two. Refrigerate the rest and defrost them whenever you exhaust the old one you have. Well, the summary of everything I have just said is to make sure you're using hair growth spray that is fresh and free from bacteria. So here are a few ways you can use this hair growth spray on your hair to nurture your scalp and keep your hair healthy. So personally, I have come to understand that the best way to hydrate your hair is during your wash day. The days you wash your hair are the best days to properly hydrate your hair. Allow your hair to soak in water down to the cuticle layer of your hair shaft. And so I personally like to have a final hair rinse with a herbal spray like this or herbal water like this. So after washing my hair, I just pour it all over my hair and then allow it to soak into the hair without drying it. Just allow my hair to absorb it and let it air dry. And this way you would notice that your scalp is going to feel and be healthy. Like if you're having scalp concerns like dandruff, itchy scalp, or scalp eczema, try this method. Just try this method I'm talking about right now. Rinse your hair with a herbal water like this one I just shared with you. Allow it to soak into the hair, allow your hair to absorb it, and you'll notice that you're going to have an itch free healthy scalp. So another way is to also refresh your hair, especially on days you're not washing your hair. Every other day you can spray it all over your hair. So here I felt chills all over my hair because I just got my hair growth spray out of the refrigerator. It still feels cold, and I like to concentrate around my edges where I have stunted growth. I like to just make sure I spray my hair growth spray around there, and a little touch of my hair growth oil. This is actually my DIY moringa hair oil, which I shared recently on the channel. So I like to apply a little amount around my edges, just a little, not too much to drip down the face, and then massage it right in. So these are a few methods I'm using to see how much I can regrow my edges after after a serious postpartum hair fall, and so far I keep seeing improvement every single day. So do give this hair growth spray a try. The combination of bay leaves, cloves and curry leaves is amazing when it comes to nourishing the scalp. It will get rid of scalp concern when you use this hair growth spray for a while, and also it will help to encourage hair growth, keep your hair healthy, and also if you have been experiencing premature aging or graying of hair, now this is the best hair growth spray to help reduce premature graying of hair. It will help to darken your hair, thicken your hair as well, and also keep your hair healthy. So I do hope you make this at home, and if you do, don't forget to share your experience with us in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your loved one and like this video if you find it helpful. And if you have not subscribed, if this is your very first time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Here on this channel I talk about natural hair, natural skincare remedies, and also wellness tips. So I hope you will find this video and this channel very interesting, and go ahead to hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. So until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful.